Winter Storm Hernando starting to crank up off of the Maryland coastline as we speak. It's going to continue to drive its way northeast toward what we call the 4070 benchmark. You hear that a lot on the Weather Channel. That is a lat longitude, okay, southeast of New England, that if a storm goes over that, usually favors a very good snowfall for the I-95 corridor. And this is exactly what this is going to do. It's going to be a storm that accelerates and also intensifies to the point where it is throwing back bands and band of moisture. And it's going to be a heavy, wet snow. That's the problem. That's the biggest concern, because that means power outages here. All right. The other concern is what we've got back here. We've got all these ice chunks around, and we've been talking about this during our segments today, how this gets lifted with the tide, and then you've got waves pushing this in. Now, the thing here for where I'm standing is there is a seawall out there, and that seawall takes a good bit of the waves. So we'll see if there's going to be enough left of it just in this short area to lift up this water with the tide and then bring some of these chunks over the roads. That is a concern of the town manager who we talked to earlier, and they're willing to address that. Now officially here in Massachusetts, a state of emergency joining several other states that will have, obviously other parameters available to them to help get through the storm as quickly as possible. But everything here points to prepare for power loss, especially tomorrow morning when we get into the teeth of this thing. All right, let's find out what else is happening with this storm, which is going to be very interesting to watch over the next several hours as it evolves. And one of the big things, Jen, is when do we crash over from rain to snow? Because, that's what makes forecasting snowfall with a storm that doesn't have cold air readily available to it difficult. You can have major busts or major wows out of that at the end of the day. But we certainly feel like this will be a very high impact snow by the time all is said and done, regardless of how much we get.